All right, my side hustling family, we're going to get right to the point today. Let's go. Are you sick of trying to make money online but never have any success? Today is your day. We're going to show you how to make that money. Hi guys, my name is Tanny. I'm in line to be the next queen of Shenobia. So yeah, that makes me Princess of Shenobia. I've been an entrepreneur since I was 12 years old when I sold a tampon to my best friend for $1 underneath the stall because capitalism is not as annoying as you, Alicia. I can guarantee you success. And listen here, it will only cost you $3,497.36. That's it, guys. Swear to God. Guys, live up to your potential. I know you can do it. Get ready to start your own online anal bleaching business today. If you don't have the money right now, ask your mom, ask your brother, ask your grandpa, ask your dad, ask your homeless neighbor. Who cares? You need to do this or you're just gonna freaking die! Literally anybody can do this, guys. Like, it doesn't matter what country you're from, what language you speak, or how ugly your anus is. It doesn't matter, guys. You can do this. Today, I'm going to show you my 10 golden techniques to have your own online anal bleaching business be successful. Go to my website right now. You want to change your life, guys, or do you just want to sit there on your dirty anus and not doing anything? Go to snowpaper.com right now. That's going to guarantee you a spot in my master class where I'm going to teach you the 10 golden techniques to making an online anal bleaching business successful. YouTube wants something like 1,000 subscribers, and people have to watch 4,000 hours worth of your videos in a 12-month period, guys. That's not going to happen. It's never going to happen. You'll never monetize. You'll never monetize your channel. You're really going to let $3,497.33 per week get in your way for success? I don't think so. Why? Why even let that happen? Face it. Online anal bleaching is your calling, biznatch. I don't want excuses. Don't mess around. Okay, guys, let's do a quick recap. That's only $3,497.36 to be successful like me per week. I will teach you every nook and cranny of that hole in the fanny, granny. That's right, my little snow salads. Please like and subscribe down below. Please. Do it. Bye.